In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into the TikTok Shop Seller Center and manage your products efficiently through bulk uploads. This tutorial will take you step by step through the process, ensuring that you can upload your product listings smoothly and effectively. To start, let's head over to the TikTok Shop Seller Center. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the TikTok Shop Seller Center page. This is the central hub for managing all your product listings and sales. You'll begin by signing in using your TikTok account credentials. Carefully enter your username and password to access your seller dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. Once you've successfully logged in, our next goal is to access the bulk upload section. Look to the left-hand menu on your screen. Here, click on Products. A drop-down will appear, and you should select Bulk Upload. This section is specifically designed for uploading numerous products simultaneously, saving you both time and effort. To facilitate this process, you'll need to download the TikTok Shop product template, available in both Excel and CSV formats. This template will ensure that all the necessary product information is correctly structured for your upload. With the template downloaded, it's time to prepare your product data. Open the file you just received, and you'll find columns designated for various product details. Begin by entering the product name. It's important to make sure the name is catchy and descriptive to attract potential buyers. Following this, fill in a detailed description of your product. Here, highlight its features, benefits, and any unique selling points. This is your opportunity to captivate potential customers and communicate your product's value. Next, input the price for each product along with the available quantity. Pricing should be precise and checked thoroughly to prevent any issues. Make sure you include the SKU or stock keeping unit. This unique identifier aids in keeping track of your inventory efficiently. Properly categorize each product, as this helps customers easily find what they're searching for. Additionally, add necessary shipping details, including weight and dimensions, as these can influence shipping costs. If your products require images, include URLs for high-quality product images. Images are very persuasive in enticing buyers, so ensure they vividly showcase your items. Double check to make sure that all fields are completed accurately and formatted in line with the template guidelines to avoid processing errors down the line. Once you've meticulously prepared your product data, it's time to upload the template. Navigate back to the bulk upload section in the TikTok Shop Seller Center. Click on Upload Template and select your completed Excel or CSV file. TikTok Shop will begin processing your product information once uploaded. The final step involves reviewing and publishing your products. After the upload, TikTok Shop might prompt you about errors in your file. If there are any mistakes, correct them as needed and re-upload your file. Once your products have been approved, simply click Publish to make them available on TikTok Shop. Congratulations! Your products are now accessible to a broader audience. Well done.